Hey guys, welcome to this YouTube channel. So this a trade I took this week. Today is July 14, and this is a trade I took on GBPAUD this week. On Sunday when the market was about to open, that was when I analyzed the the market. So normally every Sunday I do weekly analysis to review what is going to happen in the market, what is my technical analysis saying, to check what I'm expecting to see in the market. So when I was doing my analysis, I get to AUD, USD. Okay, let's go straight to the analysis. Let's go straight to the daily time frame. Now, on the daily time frame, you can clearly see that we are in a bearish market. Okay, you can see market is coming down. This is a bearish market. As you can see, it's a bearish market. Market is coming down. Now on the daily time frame, we don't normally draw any line. We just have to see the trend of the market. Where is the market going? And clearly, immediately you open the chart on your daily time frame, you can clearly see it's appearing to your face that the market is on a downtrend. So then we'll go to our 4-hour time frame. Our 4-hour time frame is where we will be doing the main analysis. Now, if you can see on the 4-hour time frame, the trend is kind of different. Okay, you can see on the 4-hour time frame, on the daily time frame we are bearish. Now on the 4-hour time frame, you will see this move is a bearish move to this place. Then this move going up is a bullish move to this particular zone here, to this key level here. So we can say from this low up to this zone, this key level here is a bullish trend on the 4-hour time frame. So if you are a day trader or a scalper, that is what you want to do. Okay, so we can clearly see on the 4-hour time frame, we can see that now if you go to the daily time frame, when you go to the daily time frame, you will see something. You will see that this particular level, this is the last high. As you can see, this is the last high. This is the last high that created the last low. And this low breaks structure to the downside. So this is the range we are trading between. Now, and if you look very well, you can see that on the daily time frame, the market has retraced back to this particular key level. It has retraced to this particular key level. We can say on the daily time frame that this place is a key level. Now, when you go to the 4-hour, this is what I saw that make me took the trade. Now, on the 4-hour, you can clearly see that. Let me remove this one. You can clearly see that the 4-hour bullish move, the 4-hour bullish trend, has traded into the daily key level. So you are seeing it has traded into the daily bearish key level, which is the last high that broke structure to the downside. Yeah. So I'm expecting from this key level, I'm expecting a bearish move from this key level. And if you can see that the market, let me show you, the market came down. The market, okay, this is the market first reacted to this key level first, came down and rejected from that key level first now, and go up again and rejected from it again. Now this is what I did on the 4-hour. On the 4-hour, on the 4-hour we are bullish. This is the trend, we are bullish. So we have to mark the 4-hour bullish movement. Sure you are seeing it. High, low. Sure you are seeing it. High, low, high, low. This is the last low, and the market failed to break the last high. You know, on the 4-hour bullish trend, the market failed to break the last high because the market has gotten to the daily key level. It failed to break the last high, and what you can see is a shift. Now this is what I do. This is what I did. Now on the 4-hour, you can see the market first confidence we are bearish, then the market traded into the daily key level. So on the 4-hour, we can clearly see that. Now when we clearly, this is what I saw: the first rejection and the second rejection. Now the market, when the market first get to this, tapped the zone, came down and went up, I was looking for a I went out to my lower time frame to look for confirmation to short this market, because I know that the market is going to reject, because this key level, this particular key level, is a strong key level on the daily time frame. So I know that the market is going to drop from here. If possible, if even though say the market did not drop far, it's going to at least come to take out this low, probably. Take out this liquidity low. So when the market get to this place, I was looking for confirmation on my lower time frame. Now this is what I did. I went out to the, first of all, I went out to the 1-hour time frame. 1-hour time frame. Now on the 1-hour time frame, what can you see? When the market retested the zone again, what can you see? You can see when the market was coming, let's say market was coming for here, created a high, a low, broke that high, now came down and shift, then it now give us a market structure shift and shift structure. As you can see, shift structure, retrace back and came down and broke structure. As you can see, this is the confirmation. This is the first shift, and this is the second break of market structure. And the market retraced. The market was actually here. When I analyze the market. Now this is it. Now I'm going to look for a entry because I've seen my confirmation. The market have shift structure and broke another market structure shift. Now this is what I did on this second break of market structure. I found out that there was an order block here, and there was a breaker block here. And again, between the breaker block and this other block, there was also a key. There was also a price rejection from this particular level. You can see between this level and this level, there was also a price action between this level. So I took my entry from this breaker block with this other block. That key level, that was a key level entry for me. So I took my entry for there, and this was my first this was my first take profit, and this was my second take profit. As you can see, the market retraced, tagged me in. At first, market retraced, tagged me in, and drop. As you can see, drop today. Though I took the trade on Monday and we eat take profits today. So that was so I'm still expecting the market to drop to this key level. If you go down to the 4-hour, you can see, like I said, you know, the daily is this is a daily key level. I'm expecting the market to reject from there, which the market did. And don't forget, on the 4-hour we are bullish, and this bullish, you have to mark out your key level. As you can see, this is my high, my low. Market broke structure, create another high, create another low, and broke structure, create another high, create another low, and broke structure again. So I'm using this particular place as my key level. I want to see the market come. Once the market get to this place, I'll be looking for probably buy from here on my lower time frame. So that was how I caught this trade. See you on my next video.